This handheld device naturally reduces anxiety and insomnia without side effects or risk of addiction. 1 in 3 Americans suffer from symptoms of anxiety or insomnia. Not only can anxiety and insomnia ruin your life if left untreated, they can lead to health problems like high blood pressure, diabetes, and even stroke. Unfortunately, medications can have horrible side effects like addiction, changes in appetite, and problems with memory. But thanks to a major breakthrough, there's now a safe, effective, and drug-free way to reduce your anxiety and improve your sleep. Simply hold onto the device and it will quickly start calming you down, helping you fall asleep or reduce your anxiety in a matter of seconds. Patients say it's just as effective as sleeping pills or anxiety medication, and it can even help stop panic attacks in their tracks. This device is called the Chill Pill, and it has quickly gone viral. Thousands of people are already using it to relax and sleep better. The Chill Pill was invented by Cheyenne King Rhea, who struggled with her own anxiety and insomnia for years. She was tired of relying on medications for a quick fix, so she started looking for natural solutions. Through her extensive research, she discovered something called cranial electrotherapy stimulation. CES has been hailed as a revolutionary drug-free remedy for anxiety, insomnia, and other conditions related to stress. In fact, CES has been FDA approved to treat insomnia for years. But pharmaceutical companies don't want you to know about it.
Big Pharma spends over $6.5 billion a year on advertising,
says Cheyenne.
Even though most users agree it's a better alternative to pills, it's hard to compete with that kind of budget.
Cheyenne decided to try electrotherapy herself, and she was shocked by how well it relieved her anxiety and insomnia. She was so impressed that she made it her mission to bring electrotherapy to the mainstream. After months of extensive testing to create the perfect consumer device, the Chill Pill was born. And it was a smash hit, selling out almost overnight. People were shocked to discover that an effective, drug-free way to reduce anxiety and insomnia really exists. Cheyenne knew there was a need for a drug-free alternative, but she never could have imagined the demand. The Chill Pill is a pill-shaped handheld device that helps reduce anxiety and induce sleep. It doesn't use drugs, medication, or refills. It's completely safe to use with zero side effects and is 100% non-addictive. Using the Chill Pill is easy, anyone can do it. Simply hold the Chill Pill in your hand and adjust the frequency setting. To fall asleep, set the Chill Pill to a slow, comfortable frequency setting and hold it in your left hand. To reduce anxiety, hold your Chill Pill in your hand on a moderate frequency for 20 minutes. To stop a panic attack, adjust your Chill Pill to a higher frequency and move it around your body until you are calm. The Chill Pill uses scientifically proven electrotherapy to work its magic. The device emits gentle electronic pulses that are hardly noticeable, yet highly effective. The pulses trigger a response in your brain, telling it to calm down. Since it's small and discreet, you can use it anytime and anywhere without drawing attention. Use it on a plane, in class, while hanging out with friends or family, watching a movie, at the office, or even in a meeting, without anyone noticing at all. Even better, it's a one-time purchase, there are no refills to buy, and charging it only takes 1 hour, yet the battery lasts for 20 hours. Since launching, the Chill Pill has flown off the shelves, generating over 1.5 million in sales. It's backed by science and doesn't require a prescription. Thanks to the Chill Pill, millions of people can now benefit from this safe, drug-free alternative. The Chill Pill even comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. So there's no risk in trying the Chill Pill yourself. Don't let anxiety and insomnia slowly suck the joy out of your life. Take action and join the thousands of people who are enjoying natural relief from anxiety and sleeplessness. Try the Chill Pill today.